Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be my first official video and I'm really excited. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be making this new collage for my wall. Basically I had some old drawings and stuff up here and it just wasn't looking as fresh anymore as it used to, so I decided to take all the old drawings off and then just take a lot of scraps and pages and just general stuff that I could put on my wall and that would look a bit better. Also maybe to use as a background in this video so that it would just look a bit nice. But anyways, so I started taking off all the old drawings. I had some of me, I had some of my friends and some of my family, and it was just getting a bit old. So I took everything off. And what I did next is I started just collecting a lot of scraps and things from magazines and old paper, which I didn't have at first, like at all, because I don't really read magazines. So I collected a few magazines and bought some old books. I also made some new art for this wall, like the brains here, and I printed out a few things like this, whatever this is. I just collected some little cards and things that I could put up here. And when all that was done and I felt like I collected enough things, I put everything down on my floor to kind of get a feeling of what I would put on my wall and how I would put it on my wall. So I did that and I thought I would use that layout, but then I actually had to take everything off again and like to put it on my wall. So I didn't end up using the layout on my floor. I just put things where I thought they would look good. I also dried a few flowers, actually, now that I think of it. Went out, got some flowers, dried them like in my room. I hanged them. I put some in like in a telephone book to dry. Like, I don't know if you can see, but these ones are just hung from the ceiling and then they dry and just stay nice in shape. So I did that, and yeah, then I just put everything on my wall like I felt. I used washi tape to put everything on because it doesn't stick that hard and I don't like damage my walls if I would like to take it off later. So also it looks better with washi tape because it kind of goes with the theme instead of being like clear tape or duct tape, which wouldn't look as good, I think. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna show you how I put it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked this collage. If you have anything to say about it, please comment down below. And if you want to ask any questions, just feel free to ask. I hope you enjoyed this and see you later. Bye bye!